Hi friends, today we go the structure of this virus. Virus has different types of structure, that is rod-shaped, horizontal, spring-like, and circular. We go the structure of circular. This is of mostly of this hepatite A, B, C, D, and this of HIV. Also, this influenza. Also, this of corona. We go mostly of this structure of this COVID-19. This is coronavirus. And this it is outer envelope by this protein envelope, which this protein envelope, it is made up of proteins, a unit called as capsomeres. These capsomeres combine to form a capsid, a hard structure around a virus. This virus or envelope, outer envelope, it prevents it from degeneration by the attack of this lysosomes. And this envelope has some projection outside. This is a envelope protein, and also a spike. This spike helps us helps this virus for the attachment with this host cell, for combining, for binding with host cell. This after this we go after this protein envelope. It's a matrix which is made up of proteins, and in this protein there is an envelope called as nuclear envelope. Inside this nuclear envelope there is a nuclear protein, and nuclear protein, and also a master strain. Its brain, it's transferring, its parents, which helps it regeneration and transferring and formation of this multiple copies. uh, when we inhale this coronavirus goes our lungs, from our nose. First go to the trachea, then goes to the lungs, then we cough, then we start we cough. Why starting we cough? Just when it goes to the lungs, it is this pulmonary cells, these pulmonary cells which are responsible for respiration, respirate our air. When it destroys, then we cough. We cannot properly respire, then we cough. This is a symptom of cough of this. When it goes to the this lungs, it reaches to pulmonary cells and destroyed. Why lungs are as mostly responsible for the catch of this coronavirus? Because this is, if this is coronavirus, it is spike is outside, and this is pulmonary cell. This pulmonary cell has a receptor which is mostly responsible for the capture, for the binding of this coronavirus. This receptor is called as angiotensinogen converting receptor. Angiotensinogen converting second receptor, which is responsible for binding to the this coronavirus. So lung is mostly infected by this coronavirus. After this, it goes attack. It goes attack to this pulmonary cell, and the pulmonary cell shows invagination. Means it goes inside this pulmonary cell. It shows invagination. After this, it goes inside the pulmonary cell. Now the lysosomes attach the nuclear envelope of this virus, and virus envelope is degenerated. Now the protein and the nucleus comes into the host cell, where it uses the genetic machinery of the host, and this ATP energy, in the form of ATP energy used, and form multiple copies. After forming multiple copies, the pulmonary cells gets destroyed. After forming more and more multiple copies, it attacks to other cells. Then goes infection our cell, then destroy our pulmonary cell. Then we cannot inhale or exhale properly. Then we are going to the ventilator. Why we take an aspiration by this artificial inspiration, and coffee is go binding to our nose, and we go artificial inspiration, because these pulmonary cells, which are responsible for this air exchanging, respiration, these get destroyed by this corona virus, because this coronavirus will destroy these cells and form their own copies, form more and more copies. After this, it goes attack to other organs. When it attack to other organs, destroy their cells, by which our immunity gets very weak. We cannot go against it. uh, then we if then we go sick, very weak, then maybe die. But think remember, they are the last symptoms of this virus, antivirus, and this bacteria is diarrhea. After this we can go kill, we can go die. Okay, thanks.